Hi, welcome to my video. I am Jane and I am here to talk to you about joint restore gummies. You are here because you have joint pain, right? Especially in your knees. So I am here to tell you if joint restore gummies will help you to get rid of all these joint pain. So if you really want to know all the truth about joint restore gummies, you should stay here with me until the end of this video, okay? Do you know why some people they are losing money buying joint restore gummies? Well, I need to warn you that due to joint restore gummies success, people are selling fake offers on the internet, and you must be really careful where you are going to buy joint restore gummies. I am leaving for you the link to the official website where I bought for my mother, and she had amazing results. She got rid of all her knees, all the pain in her knees, and you can have the same results as well. Go only on the official website, okay? And well, joint restore gummies is made of CBD extract and also a lot of natural ingredients to increase this condition. If you are feeling a lot of pain in your knees, you should try joint restore gummies. Do you know there is a liquid between your joints? And when you don't have this liquid, enough liquid to lubricate your joints, then you are gonna lose, you are gonna have joint pain, right? And especially in your knees, if you have like if you repeat a lot of movement all day long, if if you carry a lot of weight, for example, you're gonna have joint pain. So to restore your joints, I really recommend you to try this natural supplement made of CBD extract, made of all natural ingredients to increase this liquid between your joints, and then you are gonna live healthier without pain. My mother, she had amazing results. She was living like with a lot of pain in her knees, and she got rid of this pain. She spent a lot of money in expensive treatment, and well, she tried a lot of things. Like she was supposed to go for a surgery, and then she tried joint restore gummies, and in few months she was feeling way better. She didn't go for a surgery. She had amazing results, and also I felt she was more relaxed because it has CBD extract, right? So I really recommend you to try joint restore gummies if you really want to have amazing results and get rid of all this pain you are feeling right now. And if you are stuck at home because you can't go like for a walk, you are feeling depressed, anxious because you don't have your full movements, right? You feel a lot of pain. I really recommend you to try joint restore gummies because you are gonna be really impressed with the results. You're gonna transform your life. You're gonna transform your life with this natural supplement. And something I really like is that it's all natural, and also it's FDA approved. Like, so there's no risk to harm your health since it's natural and FDA approved, right? And I saw a lot of people having like amazing results with the supplement. It's completely like a miracle, right? You are gonna be really impressed with the results. It will really help you to boost, the quality of your life. You're gonna live happier because you are gonna recover your movements. So, well, you don't need to feel pain. You don't need to feel uncomfortable with yourself anymore. Joint restore gummies is here as a natural solution to help you. Something I also like about joint restore gummies is that you have a money back guarantee. So sometimes we spend a lot of money trying expensive treatments, we don't see results, and we lost money, right? So joint restore gummies comes with a guarantee, and you are gonna see the results in the first months. The best results, they come like with 2 months taking, right? And you have money back guarantees, so there is no risk for you, right? There is no risk to waste money. I really recommend you to go there on the official website to check for more information about this product. You are gonna love joint restore gummies. I really recommend you to try this product if you are really struggling with pain, joint pain in general, especially in your knees. Thanks for watching my video, and I see you next time. Bye!